Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about you get your vehicle in, you have it repaired for a concern, the vehicle's returned to you, and the concern still exists. What do you do at that point? Well, it's a great question, and it does happen. Why does it happen? Because vehicles are mechanical, electronic, etc., and things can go wrong. Could be something as simple as the component that was replaced to fix the vehicle has already failed. Could be a concern. There could be something else going on with the vehicle, and there's always human error that can be involved in that. It's extremely important if you have this type of concern once you get your vehicle back. The first thing you do, don't get excited, pick up the phone, call the repair facility that was working on your vehicle. This becomes extremely important. Most repair facilities want to help you out. They want your vehicle fixed properly if they're a quality repair facility, and they want to be there for you. At the West Automotive Group, if you have a concern, we want you to pick up the phone. We'll get you right back in to make sure that you're taken care of. It's important that you're satisfied with what you get and that your vehicle is working properly to us. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday following News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW San Diego.